crispy pan-fried gnocchi and shrimp with a parsley, shellfish, and lemon infused cream sauce makes for absolutely delicious comfort food. Let's get started. After thawing out our frozen shrimp, we're going to be removing the shells and keeping them for later. Using a mixture of baking soda and salt, we're going to be dry brining them for 30 minutes. Since we're not in a busy restaurant service, I suggest that we zest and juice these lemons towards the end of the recipe and not do it before. If you do it before, yeah, you could save a little bit of time, but you're sacrificing flavor. And it's all about the flavor. We're going to be infusing our garlic oil with the shrimp shells and parsley stems. Pan fry our gnocchi in the same pan that we used to saute the shrimp and marrying the two together with some nice white wine Sauvignon Blanc. Pouring in our velvety cream to create the sauce, and yes, I am adding cheese with shellfish. You want to know why? Because it tastes phenomenal. After achieving a luxurious saucy viscosity, we're going to be adding in our lemon zest, lemon juice, and chopped parsley. I can't stop eating it, so let me know if you've ever tried a recipe like this before. And if you'd like to see another one of my pasta dishes, check one of these above. Be sure to give this one a try, and I'll see you in the next one.